Hey guys, what is going on? I'm just going to share this with you guys because I feel that this might help somebody in the future. So, working on this exhaust system by yourself, you'll see that all these parts and pieces, they they're loose, they come apart. If you're by yourself, well, even if you have somebody else, it's still very tedious to get this all done. Now that's what this wants to look like that. Okay, well, that's not going to stay like that. It's not going to stay like that. So what I've done was I just quickly mapped out the way the flanges go, and basically it's like this, like that, and then those two go like that, and so does that one, matches that. Well, when you're trying to do this, everything just flip-flops all over the place. So I'm going to show you guys kind of how I go about doing it. You want to get some tape like that. Just put it on. Just put it on loosely so that doesn't fall off. Okay, you'll be taking that off after. There's a smooth side and then there's a stamped side. I put the smooth side like so. I don't think it really matters. That's just me being really me. Okay, so now these won't fall down. They won't fall down the tubes when you're handling this thing by yourself. That's the whole idea of the tape. Okay, doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to be there. Okay. Now we're gonna just switch here a little bit. I'm hoping I can just put this here like that. Okay. Now these collars, you can get mixed up. You would almost think that they would go like that. Like so. You would think that they go like that. Look how perfect that is. Right? Oh yeah, that's the way they go. Sure they do. No, they don't. They don't go like that. They go like this. The complete opposite of that. They go like that. Okay? That's how they go. So, good luck holding those things in place. It's just not going to happen. So it's very, very simple. Very, very simple. Here, we'll just put like a spoogie of that right there. Probably all we need. We'll see. Here's what we're going to do. That's even too much. Okay. Yep. Okay, now this one, I actually marked where I want the centers to be because, okay, I want the center to be there. I want this split collar to be center with that. That's just, I just made a decision. That's where I want it. That's all. It's just physics, I guess. Oh, man, I feel so clumsy. Oh, just get in there, would you? Okay, so yeah, like I said, it's way too much like silicone. I spooged out way too much, but it doesn't matter. It's clear, and it'll just, oh, no! Okay. So now, that's way too much, but it don't matter. I mean, it's just a little spoogey. You know, anytime I work with silicone, it's like, ugh. And then it goes everywhere. All right, guys, so literally do that the night before. Okay? Do that the night before. I mean, it's no pressure. Just get that ready. This silicone actually dries in, it actually dries really quick. Okay, it dries really quick. So it doesn't matter. Do that. It'll save you a lot of grief if you're working by yourself. That's what you want to do, guys. Believe me, these things will drive you crazy. So have fun working on your bike. Just sharing some tips, and we'll get this going. I'll have this exhaust by the end of the night. I'll have it up. I just found a, I have to source out a really nice bolt for here, but for now I just found this one. like while I'm working, I'll put that in there to hold it up nice. And there's my bracket there. I'm gonna fine tune that up real nice. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed that. Just sharing some tips how to install a 1986 GSXR1100 all original exhaust. Thanks for watching guys.